Hello, welcome. This is Daisy. Today I'm gonna show you another tutorial about Instagram in JarveePro. So we go to accounts, we go to Instagram, we created the category named Test for Clients, and we will import accounts. This is my accounts. So the separator is not correct. We will add this one. Then we have several columns. The first column is for account, the second one is for password, and the third one is for email. The last one is for email password. Okay, 3 accounts imported. We will go to start to check the accounts. Now you open the 3 browsers to auto log in Instagram.